Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat. First, gather your necessary tools. You will need a new thermostat, a fresh gasket, and a drain pan. Have a wrench set, pliers, and a screwdriver ready. Also, ensure you have enough new engine coolant for refilling the system. Safety glasses are always a good idea for eye protection. Next, you'll need to safely drain the engine coolant. Place your drain pan beneath the radiator drain plug and open it. Once the coolant is drained, locate the thermostat housing on your engine. It's usually where the upper radiator hose connects. You might need to remove some components like air intake tubes to gain clear access. Now, carefully unbolt the thermostat housing. Be prepared for any residual coolant to spill. Remove the old thermostat and its gasket, noting their orientation. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly to ensure a good seal. Install the new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly, and place the new gasket before reattaching the housing bolts. Finally, reattach all components you removed earlier, ensuring everything is secure. Close the radiator drain plug. Refill your cooling system with the appropriate type and amount of fresh engine coolant. Start the engine, let it warm up, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.